How to fix Redmi Note 9 Pro conference call not working problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So if the conference call is not working, then how you can solve this issue? In this video I'm going to show you some solutions, and I'm going to show you how you can do conference call on your device. Okay, so guys, if you are waiting to fix it, then simply watch the video and stay tuned with the video. Okay, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. So now let's begin the tutorial. So first, here what you have to do is go to your setting. Okay, and then scroll it down, go to here on your applications, and after that go to manage apps. So now here you will find phone service option, so go there. First of the application, click OK, clear up the data, click on clear all data, and then click OK. So now you have to go back and then guys restart your device. Okay, and it will be much more better if you update your phone software. Okay, if your phone software is not up to date, then guys make sure to update it. And after updating the software, after doing solutions, after restarting your device, okay, just go to your dialer, and here you have to select the number. Okay, and guys, here is okay. So okay, the call has been ended. Okay, so we have to do one more time. So let's